Looking to set up your eero T011111 Wi-Fi system? You're in the right place. Follow these easy steps, and you'll have fast, reliable Wi-Fi in no time. First, download the eero app on your iOS or Android device. This app will guide you through the entire process. Next, either log in using your Amazon account or create a new eero account by entering your email and phone number. You'll get a verification code to complete this step. Now, unplug your modem and any routers connected to it. Use the Ethernet cable that came with your eero to connect it to the modem. Plug everything back in, and wait for the eero light to start flashing white. Once your eero is powered on, the app will guide you through setting up your new Wi-Fi network. Choose a network name and password. You can even reuse your current Wi-Fi name to avoid reconnecting all your devices. Want better coverage? Add more eero units. Place them in open, central locations for the best signal. You can add them wirelessly or by using an Ethernet backhaul. Finally, connect your devices to the new eero network. Just find the network name, enter the password, and you're ready to enjoy seamless Wi-Fi. And that's it. Your eero T011111 setup is complete. Enjoy lightning-fast internet across every corner of your home.